Hello guys, it's Shane Head for Pop RVs coming to you today, March 23rd, 2022, coming to you from Fort Towson, Oklahoma, just north of the Texas line. Got a really cool find for you today. We've got a 2019 Volante 3601 LF. That's a mouthful of a model number, but what you need to know that this is a Bunk House 41-foot fifth wheel model, 2019. Available here at Pop RVs and poprvs.com. We're going to do a quick walk around, show you the overall condition, a couple of the nice features that this thing has. Really great setup. So let's go ahead and get with it. It's a 2019 Volante 3601 LF. Again, this is a 41-foot, just under 13,000 pound dry weight. Really nice thing about this particular fifth wheel is it has a 2,471 pound hitch weight, which really makes this ideal for a lot of 3/4 ton pickups, certainly 1 tons, but there makes this available to some 3/4 ton pickups with that lighter hitch weight. Really good setup. Of course, as you can see, we've got all the slide outs open. You've got 6-point automatic leveling jacks. It is leveled up here right now. A couple of things that you'll notice as we do the walk around, the overall condition is really good, but here where he's got it parked, it does have some runoff from these trees. Could use a good bath and maybe a little polishing, but there's no oxidation, there's no peeling of any of the graphics, doesn't really appear to be any sunburn or sun fade, but it does need a good wash down on the outside. But don't let that scare you off, that's strictly cosmetic. So let's go ahead and walk around. As you can see, and I don't have it open because I don't have power going to this unit currently, but it does have a power retracting and extending porch awning out here. Here on the passenger side of the camper, of course, we've got this 2 slide outs here. One of these is your kitchen slide out. This one here in the rear is your bunk house slide out. As we give you kind of a wide angle view here, of course, you'll notice with lots of bunk houses, this has dual entry points. You've got an entry into the rear bathroom. This is a full 2-bath setup, not just a half bath. It's got a full bathroom with stand-up shower. We'll show you that when we get inside. Great full-time living option, as it does have a stack washer and dryer back here in the bunk house bathroom area as well. And as you get a little closer, you can see some of that grime and runoff from the trees that I talked about. Again, nothing a good wash and polish won't take care of. 2018 are the date codes on the tires, 21st week of 2018, so you've still got plenty of life left in the tires. Outdoor kitchen. We'll show you the pictures of that in the actual ad. Check the link here in below here for the video, or rather for the ad. It'll have more in detail pictures. You do have the nice Flex leaf spring system on your axles, which really makes this thing a lot more stable when you're towing it down the road. Another nice feature is it's got the aluminum step above swing in steps. These are a much sturdier setup than the standard swing under steps for your main entrance. Simply slides underneath the door. Pardon the wind. Hopefully you can hear me okay. But this is also what they call their extreme weather package, which is basically their terminology for telling you this is a 4 seasons RV. So it does have the sealed underbelly, does have the extra insulations in the ceiling and walls. You're not going to be able to see a whole lot in the storage, but it will tell you that it stores a lot. You've got this big pass-through storage, and as you can see, he's got a lot of stuff stored in here right now. But again, gives you an idea of the sheer capacity of this large pass-through storage, which is really nice. Of course, you've got on both sides, we'll show you one side here, you've got your standard propane bottles. It holds the 30-pound bottles for a total of 60 pounds of propane capacity. Over here, let's take a look at the front cap. Front cap looks good, no peeling. Again, just some runoff from the rainwater. Needs a good wash down up here. Docking lights underneath, switch right here. Front storage area, very common to most fifth wheels. You've got your cutouts in place here where you wanted to place a generator. You could do that. Your house batteries, your battery disconnect switch for your house batteries. Go ahead and move you over to the other side here. And you've got on your driver's side, you've got your other 3 slide outs. So this has a total of 5 slide outs. Kind of walk you through the slide outs. Up front here is your master bedroom slide. There in the middle is your main living room slide, and then there's that opposing slide for the bunk room. The bunk room is really big, lots of room in that. We'll show you that when we get there. Rewired for solar. Slide out seems to be in good shape. Seals and gaskets appear to be great. Of course, being a 2019 model, you wouldn't expect any excessive wear at this point. Again, the only thing I see that this RV needs, just in my brief time here, is just a good wash down. Aluminum roof access ladder, standard steel bumper, 50 amp service coming here into the rear of the RV. You do have dual overhead heating and cooling units. 41 foot, you definitely need that extra heating and cooling capacity that this unit certainly has. Guys, as we make our way towards the interior, I'd like to point your attention to the phone number at the bottom of the screen. If you've got questions about this RV, or you'd like to schedule a showing, perhaps you'd like to make an offer before coming out, we can help you with all that. Simply call that number, or you can reach out to me directly, Shane Head, at 903-293-3851. Also, if you'd like to get pre-qualified for financing, we've got some great RV lenders available to you that we can connect you with to help you get pre-approved. So as we make our way in, I'm going to swing you out to a wide angle here, and we'll head to the interior. So as we go in, you've got your swing away entry assist handle. Hopefully this door will stay open. It is really windy today. Of course, you've got a nice wood, barnwood style vinyl plank floor. Meets carpet in certain areas. As you come in mid-cabin here, you're going to be coming into the kitchen living room area. Got a nice kitchen island, stone style countertops. You've got a dual residential style kitchen sink, stainless steel or brushed nickel kitchen faucet. You'll notice in the slide out they have added a residential nice kind of a theater style seating option over here, as well as another love seat. So instead of the dinette, you've got two nice couch options over here. Got a nice built-in Sansui flat screen TV with sound bar and entertainment center below. You've got, of course, your built-in fireplace. Your control panel, let me zoom in here a little bit. All your tank monitors, your slide out controls, water heater switches, main overhead switches. You do have the Air Excel, which is similar to the Max Air vent set up in here. Roof looks good inside as far as the ceiling. Don't see any signs of water leakage, no water spots anywhere. Move back over to a wider angle, let you get a better view of the kitchen. Nice setup on the kitchen, 3-burner cooktop. Also has the oven down below. You've got a nice sterling stainless steel, rather, side-by-side Whirlpool residential refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. Looks like they've taken the overhead smaller microwave out, and they do have one placed over here on the countertop. We'll update the ad to let you know if that microwave is included. I'm not certain if it is or isn't. As we move into the bunk house area, again, lots of room in here. Off to the right, you've got your overhead bunk. Down below, you've got your kind of your convertible sofa sleeper. Pull outs underneath. Across the way, you've got your built-in bunk with some nice built-ins. Up above, you've got your loft bunk. Ladder access right here. Again, you can see lots of space in here. Each room has its own little individual light for the bunks themselves. And then at the rear, you've got your second bathroom. Of course, you've got your bathroom sink, medicine chest. You've got a small mini tub, stand-up shower. Lots of height in here. Full height for the ceiling, so no worries about if you're tall or not. Your head's over here off just to the left of the bathroom sink. And then you have, in its own closet, you've got your stack washer and dryer. Not the combo unit, but the actual washer dryer separate unit. So again, full-time living option, really good there. Again, you've got that exterior door for easy access for guests. As we move out and move forward, and I apologize for the lighting in here. The RV is currently not hooked up to shore power, and apparently the house batteries need to be charged. So I do apologize for the poor lighting, but trust me when I say the interior is really clean. All the materials look almost new. I don't see any rips in any of the upholstery. We'll go ahead and make our way up the stairwell here. As you come up the stairwell, on your left is your main bathroom. It does have a privacy door coming in and out of the bathroom, hallway, and into the bedroom. As you can see, lots of room here in this bathroom. You've got a corner mounted shower. You do have a recessed skylight here. They still give you a little extra height. You've got a chair height head. Got your own heating and cooling duct in there. By the way, it is a fully ducted heating and cooling system with dumps at the units themselves as well. Here in the master bedroom, you've got that other slide out. You've got a queen size bed, and there's room here. If you wanted to upgrade that, there is room there where you could put a king size there. Overhead reading lamps. You've got USB charging points on both sides of the bed. Really nice setup there. You've got a nice built-in dresser. You've got a mounting point up top for your coaxial or antenna input. So if you wanted to mount a TV on that wall there, you could certainly do that. You've got your nice mirrored sliding closet doors. Really big. And again, I apologize for the poor lighting. I've got my flash on so that you can see, but you've got a large master closet. You got a really long hanging rod. You've got a nice recessed shelf unit. Good for shoes or whatever you need to store away. Of course, these sliding doors have locking mechanisms on them, so when you're traveling, they don't slam open and shut on you. Again, you got full privacy back here with an entry door to the bathroom and out to the main hallway. So there you have it, guys. It is a 2019 Volante. This is the model 3601 LF, a 41-foot fifth wheel bunkhouse model, available here at Pop RVs. Check the link here in the video. Go over to the website at poprvs.com. You can get all the specs as far as weights, heights, all the capacities for the tanks, just about anything you want to know about this unit. Sleeping capacity, by the way, the manufacturer says up to 10 people. Not sure with changing out this couch, if that's still the case. It may be 8, but either way, tremendous sleeping capacity. So there it is again, guys, the 2019 Volante fifth wheel bunkhouse, available here at Pop RVs and poprvs.com. Shane Head from Fort Towson, Oklahoma, saying thanks for watching.